Husqvarna chainsaws and chains help you work as efficiently as possible. The chain's premium sharpness properties minimize the need for filing. When filing your X-cut chain, the golden tie strap feature will help indicate where to start, where to stop, and when to turn your chainsaw around to file the other half of the cutter links. Besides improving convenience, the golden tie strap extends the chain life by minimizing the likelihood of grinding twice by mistake or forgetting to grind a few cutter links. With Husqvarna X-cut chain, you can rest assured of optimal productivity and efficiency, no matter the job.